Good morning, all of you. Today we'll see another two questions in time and work, model 1 part. So let me read the question first. So Naidu and Sai can do a piece of work in 15 days. Sai and Kumar can do it in 12 days. Kumar and Naidu can do it in 20 days. Then he is asking Kumar alone can do it in how many days? That is the question. So let us try to solve. So we'll follow the same method what we follow earlier. See, Naidu plus Sai can do a piece of work in 15 days. And Sai plus Kumar can do the same work in 12 days. And Kumar plus Naidu can do the same work in 20 days. So we don't know what is the total work. As we taken earlier, that is the common multiple of 15, 12 and 20 I am taking as the total work to be done. So the common multiple I am taking 60 as the common multiple. This 60 what we are taking will be divisible by 15, and this 60 will be divisible by 12, and this 60 will be divisible by 20. You can take any number which is divisible by 15, 12 and 20 as the common multiple as the total work. Since we are assuming the total work to be done as chocolates to be eaten, so I have taken those are 60 chocolates with us. These 60 chocolates will be eaten by Naidu plus Sai together in 15 days, Sai and Kumar together in 12 days, Kumar and Naidu in 20 days. So now we'll see Naidu plus Sai 1 day work means in 1 day how many chocolates they together can eat. That is 60 chocolates divided by 15 days will get 4 chocolates per day. Similarly, Sai plus Kumar together, how many chocolates they can eat per day? 60 chocolates divided by 12 days. So we'll get 5 chocolates per day. Similarly, Kumar plus Naidu together, there are 60 chocolates they can eat in 20 days. So in 1 day they can eat 3 chocolates per day. I hope up to here everything is clear to you. Now I want to know what is the 1 day's work of Naidu plus Sai plus Kumar together. So in order to find that, what I will do is Naidu plus Sai is 1 day's work, Sai plus Kumar's 1 day's work, and Kumar plus Naidu's 1 day's work. If I add, I will get 2 times Naidu plus Sai plus Kumar. Why? Because see here, Naidu is repeated 2 times, Kumar is also repeated 2 times, Sai is also repeated 10 times. That's why 2 into Naidu's plus Sai's plus Kumar's 1 day work is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 3 chocolates per day. So 9 plus 3, 12. So if I want 2 into Naidu's plus Sai plus Kumar's 1 day work is this 12 chocolates they are able to eat. If I want to find how many chocolates Naidu plus Sai plus Kumar together can eat, will be given by 12 divided by 2, that is 6 chocolates per day. Means if the 3 Naidu, Sai and Kumar eat, they can eat 6 chocolates a day. That is the meaning. Now in the question, if Kumar alone eats all the 60 chocolates, in how many days he can eat all the chocolates? That is the question. Let us try to find. So in order to find that, I have to know Kumar's one day work. That is, in one day, how many chocolates Kumar can eat. I know Naidu plus Sai plus Kumar's one day work. If I want to find Kumar's one day's work, if I subtract Naidu plus Sai's one day's work from the Naidu plus Sai's plus Kumar's one day work, I left with Kumar's one day work. So 6 minus Naidu plus Sai's one day's work is, see here, Naidu plus Sai is this one. So Naidu plus Sai's one day's work is, they can be able to eat 4 chocolates per day. So I'll get 2 chocolates per day. Means Kumar can able to eat 2 chocolates per day. Then 60 chocolates in how many days he will complete. So Kumar can complete the work. Kumar can complete the total work in, total work is how much? We have 60 chocolates with us. Kumar can eat 2 chocolates a day. So we left with 30 days. Means if all the 60 chocolates were eaten by Kumar, he can complete all the 60 chocolates in 30 days. That is the meaning of this question. For example, in this question, he may ask, if Sai alone do the work, how many days he will complete. Like that he may ask. So once you know the Kumar's work, you can easily find how many days Sai can eat and Naidu can eat. Let us try to find that also. So if I want to find Naidu's work, first I want to find Naidu's one day's work. Naidu's one day's work is again 6 minus, I want Naidu, so I need to subtract Sai plus Kumar's work, one day's work here. So Sai plus Kumar's one day work, they can eat 5 chocolates a day. So 6 minus 5, that is 1 chocolate per day. So Naidu can complete the work in, there are 60 chocolates. So Naidu can eat 1 chocolate per day. So Naidu will complete the work in 60 days. Okay. Similarly, you can find Sai's one day's work. But in our question, he is asked to find Kumar's, if Kumar alone will do the work, in how many days will the work will be completed. That is the question. So let me go to the next question. Ravi can do a certain work in 10 days and Hari can do some work, the same work, in 12 days. They started the work together. But after 5 days, Ravi left and Hari finished the remaining work. In how many days Hari can complete the remaining work? That is the question. So let us try to solve this. See, now we have 2 people, one is Ravi, another one is Hari. So Ravi can complete a work in how many days he is given. So let us find the solution for this. Ravi can do a work in 10 days. Hari can do the same work in 12 days. So they started working together, but after 5 days, Ravi left the work. So we are following the same method. See here, I am taking the numbers such that I got the common multiple. See, 10 and 12 60 will be divisible by both 10 and 12. So I am taking the common multiple as 60 itself. So you can take any number, the solution will not change, the answer you will get the same value, but the number should be divisible by both this 10 and 12, whatever the numbers that Ravi can do and Hari can. So Ravi's one day's work will be, one day work, what it will become, there are 60 chocolates, Ravi can eat 12, he can eat in 10 days, so 6 chocolates per day Ravi can eat. Similarly, we can find for Hari. Hari can eat 60 chocolates in 12 days. So he can eat 5 chocolates per day. So they started working together. So Hari plus Ravi plus Hari's one day work becomes is equal to 6 plus 5, that is 11 chocolates per day, means they together can eat 11 chocolates a day. So they started working together and they worked together for 5 days. So in 5 days they can eat 5 into 11 chocolates per day. So they will eat 55 chocolates in 5 days. So see, the total work here is 60 chocolates. Out of these 60 chocolates, they together ate 55 chocolates in 5 days. So the remaining work will be, what is the remaining work? Total work is 60 chocolates with us we have. Out of 60, they eaten in 5 days 55. So we left with 5 chocolates. So this is the remaining work. So the remaining work will be completed by Hari. So Hari can complete the remaining work. Hari can complete the remaining work. See, remaining work is 5 chocolates. Hari can eat 5 chocolates per day. So Hari can complete the remaining work in 1 day. So in 1 day, the remaining work will be completed by Hari. Thank you all for your patient hearing. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.